Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm still getting my voice back, so excuse that, but I have finally a traveler's notebook kit coming out in the shop this Friday, so I wanted to pop in here and just show you what it's going to include. So this one here is sized for the personal because I'm going to try, even though it's made for like the string traveler's notebook, I'm going to try and put it into my Heidi Swap, excuse the washing, my Heidi Swap ring. So once I get ready to set that up, I will definitely make a video. But it should work because the pages and the journaling cards are all the same size. They just need to be maybe sliced in half and then just hole punched. So it should work. I don't see why it shouldn't. And so we have made some changes from our last Traveler's Notebook kit. And there's definitely a lot more die cuts included. And it also comes with these little tabs that you can put. So it's 5 different tabs, like 5 different colors, really cute. And you just fold them over and tape them onto either one of the dashboards included, or the vellum, or the journaling cards, whatever you would like. And these are the die cuts included, so everything comes in 2 separate bags. We have that little one that has the die cuts and the tabs, and how cute are these? They're all very doodly and summer, and I just fell in love with this panda, so I wanted to make him the center point of everything. So that's what we have in the little bag. And now this is a fun one. I'm super excited about this one. The papers and the journaling cards with the foil are just so pretty. So this jumbo die cut did not fit in that little bag, so I had to include it there. And then it has this little bookmark that says summertime, and it's got ice creams. And these are the 3 journaling cards. So this one, as you can see, has some foil, and it's this pretty holographic foil. Then we have this one, which also has foil up in the sun. And then we have this one, no foil. And so just these 2 here are foiled. And then we have some double-sided papers. So this one right here, they already come cut and folded, sized for either the B6, the pocket, the A6, or the personal plan or traveler's notebook. So this is paper number 1. Then we have this like sandy colored one, and the inside has a little flamingo float with the panda on it. And then this little thing back here, all these little signs. I didn't want to just leave it blank with that pattern. And then we have this floral one with ice creams inside. Then we have some vellum. So it comes with these 2 vellums. And this one's all little fishies and shells and bubbles. Very cute. And then we have more of the flamingo float with some beach balls and little suns on it. So those are the 2 vellums. And then we have the mini sticker kit that I think has like the essential stickers for planning in your traveler's notebook or like your weekly planning. So because it's almost impossible to use 5 sticker sheets like of the full kits in the traveler's notebook inserts. So I thought this was perfect, and I love the colors. I had to make him a journaling card because look how cute he looks reading the book. And yeah, so that is it. So this is all that comes in that kit. We have vellum, we have the stickers, we have the journaling cards. Some of them have foil, the dashboards, die cuts. I mean, there's so many things. So this is gonna go into the shop at 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, and it's only going to be available during the weekend. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little preview, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye!